girls with their nails done now.
Behind you! Where?
That's 19. 23 further down.
23's further down.
Hey, please, put your hands up!
Hands! Hands! Move, Dex, move! Hands! Hands! Shots fired.
Hey, is everybody good?
He's down. He's down.
Hey, I'm
He's
getting
down.
a shield to push up.
He's down.
He's in the backyard.
He's in the backyard.
Move, come on back.
Right here. He's. We good?
I'm going to get my med bag.
He good? Dex, you good? He shot at us. You good? He's down. Let me see.
Right here,
He's right here.
Hey, hold!
Hold.
Hold while you're left over there.
he's gonna be right here under this white.
No, police is good. Suspect is down.
He's down, has like a red
Hey,
hat.
all blue is good.
See the chain link fence? He's gonna be right beside of it, under that deck.
I'm good with you. Hey, we've got a shield on the left too, Collier. You've got a shield on this side as well.
I've got one in my vehicle. I'm going to go grab my shield. We have a shield over there.
You're good, go.
Hey,
Everyone's good.
our plan is once we get resources, we're going to push up to him. We have a medic on standby.
We got
You
shield.
guys okay in the house?
Stay in the house. Have them go out. Have them go to the front door and make contact.
Go to the front door. Hey, we have two
You good?
shields. Are we comfortable moving up?
Yeah, he shot at us, man.
We're moving up.
They're moving. Checking up.
Do not move!
I've got doorway. I've got doorway. Mind you, go ahead.
All right, let's make our way up here and check on the people.
I got handcuffs.
I've got some on the side of my vest.
Hey, is he alive?
Hey, I got it. You want to steal that?
Yeah.
Extra police, 3723 Wheeler. Announce yourself.
Hey, Pistol. Hey, you do EMS over here.
Alright, I think I saw a figure just run to the backyard. Not 100%. Taller. I think I could just see a head. Went to the back. The helicopter.
Behind what address?
Same one we gave you.
Is that 3723 Wheeler?
10-4. Ran on the 4 side to the backyard.
Alright, everyone copy, right? And that he's armed.
All right, boys, he's running. He's running to the alley right now. Carrying a backpack. He just threw something in the yard. He's in the back of 3723 right now. guys are passing him. He's in 3723. Y'all just drove right past him. He's running up to the back of the house now.
Push up, K9.
He's standing between 3723 and 25, looking at the alley, leaning up against the trash can. He's pointing something at you guys. I can't tell if he's armed or not. Shots fired, shots fired. He's pointing something at you guys. I can't tell if he's armed or not. Shots fired, shots fired.
Get cover, get cover. Hold fire, he's down. Hey, move, guys, move. Hey.
Behind you, Trumbo.
Behind you.
That's 19. 23's further down. This way. Hey, police, put your hands up.
Move. Hey, cover.
Cover. Hey, cease fire.
Door. All right. Hey, we have 2 shields. Are we comfortable moving up? Okay, you have gloves.
Got gloves and medic.
All right, we're moving up.
Check up.
Let me see your hands, buddy.
Hey, slow down. Slow. Z1080.
Alright. I don't have handcuffs.
Here.
Okay, someone try my best. Okay.
Hey, is he alive?
Please, announce yourself! Hey, I got it. You want to steal that? Yeah. Steal coming.